Okay, we've got a 2004 GMC Sierra 4x4 2500 HD. It's got an 8.1 liter with an Allison transmission. Let's take a look inside. All leather interior. It's immaculate. 36,300 miles. Very, very low miles for a 2004. Quick walk around for you. Got a leather tonneau cover, Bose stereo, auto dimming mirrors, tow package. It is good to go. Take it home today for $22,000. Look at that. Power seats. Heated also. This thing smells brand new. I almost forgot the most important part. The Vortec 8100 motor. Look at that thing. Allison transmission. Let's take a quick peek under here. Look at how clean that is. Unbelievable. Got a trailer to haul 2 quads. $500. Decks and outriggers. Tires that are pretty much brand new. Place for the second quad in case it's a little wider. Got the plate on the back. Tie down anchor points. Place throughout. It's all green treated wood. Still even has the tags on most of them. Enough room in the middle for all your gear. Mom, Dad, and the kids.